Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create golden axe in Minecraft. So you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So what you need to do is 2 sticks and 3 gold ingot. Okay, so now we are enter in crafting table. Now you must put 2 sticks and 3 gold ingot, and as you can see we created golden axe in Minecraft. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. And I also invite you for my other tutorials for beginners and advanced Minecraft player. Okay, thanks and bye bye.